Viral interview ni Mimea kina Anne Hathaway at Meryl Streep, pinag-usapan online. Usap-usapan ngayon sa social media ang nakakatuwang panayam ng Filipino content creator na si Mimea kasama ang Hollywood stars na sina Anne Hathaway at Meryl Streep, na ibinahagi sa kanyang Instagram account. Sa naturang video, makikita ang natural na charm at kakaibang humor ni Mimea habang kinakausap ang dalawang award-winning actresses.
This dress?
It's a James Holt original.
Yes.
It looks incredible on
Thank
you.
you so much. I'm that girl, Mimea from the Philippines. It's an honor to meet you guys in this lifetime. It's my first time also to interview such legends. So please go easy on me because I'm just learning about this stuff. And as a member of the LGBTQA+ community, Devil Wears Prada becomes a beacon of hope to all the girls and the gays. What can you say about the support of the community to this movie?
There would be no fashion in the world without the LGBTQ community. Nothing but gratitude and worry about how we're judged.
I don't know that we would have a sequel without the support of the LGBTQ community who have embraced this film so much, kept it alive and kept it current. So much is owed and we're so grateful.
The internet are saying that the real devil in the movie were your friends.
Yes, I think everyone's being very, very hard. There were little snapshots of them.
He miss you. Nigel said that you will pay him back if the time is right. Is the right time going to happen in this sequel? Girl,
You're so good at that. I'm like, oh my god.
you really need to watch the movie.
Of course.
It's an honor to meet you guys.
This made my day.
Those shoes are amazing.
Hindi nito ikinila ang kanyang pagiging fan, ngunit sa halip na maging formal. Pinili niyang dalhin ang interview sa mas magaan at relatable na usapan, isang istilong nagustuhan ng netizens. Kapansin-pansin ang magandang chemistry ng tatlo, kung saan game na game sina Anne Hathaway at Meryl Streep sa mga tanong at biruan ni Mimea. Sa kabila ng kanilang pagiging Hollywood icons, ipinakita nila ang kanilang pagiging approachable at sense of humor, bagay na lalong ikinatuwa ng mga manonood. Ayon sa mga netizens, nakakabilib umano si Mimea dahil naipakita niya ang kanyang tunay na personalidad kahit kaharap ang mga international stars. Marami rin ang nagsabing proud sila sa kanya dahil isa itong malaking achievement hindi lamang para sa kanya kundi para na rin sa Filipino content creators. Samantala, patuloy ang pagdami ng views at shares ng nasabing interview, patunay na patok sa publiko ang ganitong klaseng content, kung saan nagsasama ang global celebrities at local creators sa isang makabuluhan ngunit masayang usapan. Sa kabuuan, ang interview na ito ay hindi lamang simpleng content, kundi isang inspirasyon na ang pagiging totoo sa sarili ay maaaring magdala sa mas malalaking oportunidad sa entablado ng mundo.